Hari Om students, all of you are obeying the instructions given by your government for our safety. You maintain 2 meter distance away in public place. Always you remember it. Then what is today saying? Silently hear everyone, accept what is good, reject and forget what is not. This is intelligent living. നമ്മൾ ആരോടെങ്കിലും നമ്മളോട് സംസാരിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളത് നിശബ്ദമായിട്ട് കേട്ട് നിൽക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് അതിൽ ഉള്ള നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ ഉൾക്കൊള്ളുക, അല്ലാത്തവ നമ്മൾ നിരസിക്കുക. അതാണ് ബുദ്ധിപരമായ ജീവിതം. പറയുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ പ്രാവർത്തികമാക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. അതിൽ നല്ലത് നമുക്ക് തോന്നുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിലേക്ക് പകർത്തുക, അല്ലാത്തവ നമ്മൾ നിരസിക്കുക. അതാണ് ബുദ്ധിപരമായ ജീവിതം. ടുഡേ we can study a new lesson, coordinate geometry. In 9th standard you studied coordinate geometry. Then what is the abscissa and ordinate of a point and how to write a coordinate of the point. For example, write the coordinates of a point P whose ordinate is 5 and abscissa is -2. Then the what do you mean by ordinate? Ordinate is the y. The y is y coordinate is called the ordinate and the x coordinate is called the abscissa. Then how will you write the point P? We write the first write the x coordinate. What is the x coordinate here? Abscissa means the x coordinate. So we write -2 and the ordinate is 5. So what is the coordinate of the point P? P -2, 5 means first one is the x coordinate and second is the y coordinate. So x coordinate is named as abscissa and y coordinate is named as ordinate. Okay. Then today we can study how to find the distance between two points. Distance formula. Distance formula. Distance formula. Then you can find the distance between the length of P2. That is, find the distance between P and Q. P, the coordinate of P is x1, y1 and the coordinate of Q is x2, y2. Then if you are asked to find the distance between the points P and Q, we can use the formula PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So the distance between two points xp x1 y1 and qx2 y2 is, first we subtract the x coordinate, that is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is called a distance formula. The distance between two points, the distance between two points p x1 y1, p x1 comma y1, that is x coordinate is x1 and y coordinate is y1, and qx2 y2, qx2 y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So to find the distance between two points p x1 y1 and q x2 y2, we use the formula the distance pq is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This formula is called the distance formula. You can find the distance between two points using the formula. If the points are p x1 y1 and q x2 y2, then the distance between two points p and q is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Next question. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. First one 2, 3 and 4, 1. First we can name point A as 2, 3 and B is equal to 4, 1. You are asked to find the distance between the pairs of points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Therefore, the length of AB is equal to, we can use the formula. What is the distance formula? Arman, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here, what is x1, y1? You can take x1, y1 as 2, 3 and x2, y2 as 4, 1. Then what is x2 minus x1 the whole square? x2 is 4. 4 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 1. 1 minus 3 the whole square. That is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 the whole square is 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square. That is equal to square root of 2 square is 4. Minus 2 the whole square is, it is equal to plus 4. Then what is square root of 4 plus 4 is equal to square root of 8. So what is the distance between 2 points? The points A, 2, 3 and B, 4, 1. This AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Therefore, it is equal to 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus 3 the whole square. That is square root of 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square is equal to root of 4 plus 4. That is square root of 8. So the distance between the points A, 2, 3 and B, 4, 1 is root 8. You can root 8 units. Root 8 units. Okay. Then what is our second question? Second one, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. We can name and this minus 5, 7 as P. P minus 5, 7 and Q minus 1, 3. Then what is the distance PQ? PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is equal to square root of what is x2 minus x1? As it be as x2 is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 5 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 3 minus 7 the whole square. That is equal. Minus 1 minus 5 is minus 1 plus 5 the whole square plus 3 minus 7 the whole square. Then what is minus 1 plus 5 is 4. That is equal to square root of 4 square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 the whole square. That is equal to square root of 4 square is 16. 16 plus 16. 2 minus 1 minus 5 the whole square is minus 1 plus 5 the whole square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 the whole square. That is 4 square is 16. 16 plus 16 that is equal to square root of root 32 units. So the distance between the point P minus 5, 7 and Q minus 1, 3 is root 32 units. Okay. Next, 3, 2 and 2, 3. We can name third question. R as 3, 2 and S is equal to 2, 3. 3, 2 and 2, 3. Then what is the distance between the point R and S? R is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. What is x2 minus Adilakshmi? x2 minus x2 is 2. So we can name it write it as 2 minus 3 the whole square plus y2 is 3. 3 minus 2 the whole square. What is 2 minus 3 the whole square is? 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So minus 1 the whole square plus 1 the whole square. That is square root of minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. 1 the whole square is also 1. That is equal to root 2 units. So the distance between the points P R 3, 2 and S 2, 3 is root 2 units. So to find the distance between 2 points Px1, y1 and Qx2, y2, we use the formula root of x square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here R is 3, 2 and S is 2, 3. Then x1 will take x1, y1 as 3, 2 and x2, y2 as 2, 3. Therefore, what is the square root of x2 minus s1 the whole square is square root of 2 minus 3 the whole square plus 3 minus 2 the whole square. That is square root of minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square. That is minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. Then square root of 1 plus 1. So it is equal to root 2 units. So the distance between the points R32 and S23 is root 2 units. Okay. Next, distance of a point PXY from the origin. Here, this is the origin. What is the coordinate of the origin? Sivanand, coordinate of the origin are 0, 0. So here rho is, we can, this is 0, 0, and this point is PXY. So what is the distance between the point PXY from the origin? Then the distance, we can use the distance for OP is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. What is x1, x2, y2, xy. So it is equal to x1, we take x2, y2 as xy and x1, y1 as 0, 0. Then it is equal to square root of x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square. Then what is x minus 0 the whole square is? X minus 0 is x. That is x square. Y minus 0 the whole square is y. Then it is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So distance of a point PXY from the origin is OP is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So it is equal to square root of x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square. That is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Therefore, the distance of a point, point PXY from the origin is square root of OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Remember the formula. The distance of a point PXY from the origin is OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Okay. Next question. Find the distance of a point P52 from the origin. Here you are asked to find the distance of a point P52 from the origin. Then what is the distance of a point? We studied that the distance of a point PXY from the origin is OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Then here what is P52? We are asked to find the distance of a point P52 from the origin. Therefore, here P is 5, 2. The coordinate of P is 5, 2. So distance of a point P52. The distance of a point P52 from the origin is P52 from the origin is what is the formula? Here if the distance of PXY from the origin is OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So here what is OP? OP is equal to square root of what is x here? The x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 2. Therefore it is equal to square root of x square plus y square. That is 5 square plus 2 square. That is equal to square root of 25 plus 4. That is equal to square root of 29 units. So the distance between the point PXY from the origin is OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Then if P is 5, 2, the distance of a point P52 from the origin is OP is equal, instead of x we put 5 and instead of y we put 2. Then OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. That is square root of 5 square plus 2 square. That is square root of 25 plus 4. That is equal to root 29 units. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. To find whether these 3 points are collinear, what we do is, here P is 1, 5, 2 is 2, 3 and R is minus 2, 11. Then if PQ plus QR is equal to PR, then the points are collinear. First we can find the distance between PQ. What is PQ? Here the point P is equal to 1, 5 and Q is equal to 2, 3. Then PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is equal to square root of what is x2 here? 2 minus 1 the whole square plus 3 minus 5 the whole square. That is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. That is equal to square root of 1 square plus minus 2 the whole square. That is equal to square root of 1 plus 4. That is equal to root 5 units. Root 5 units. Then PQ is equal to root 5 units. Then what is QR? QR is equal to Q is 2, 3 and R is minus 2, minus 11. So we can use the formula is 2 minus S1, that is minus 2 the whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 the whole square. That is equal to square root of minus 2 is whether it is equal to minus 4 the whole square plus minus 14 the whole square. That is equal to minus 4 the whole square is square root of 16 plus 14 the whole square is 196 plus 196. That is equal to square root of 212 units. It is equal to square root of 212 units. Then what is PR? Here PR is equal to square root of minus 2 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 the whole square. That is equal to square root of minus 3 the whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16 the whole square. That is equal to square root of 9 plus 256. 9 plus that is equal to square root of 264. Sorry, 265. Square root of 265 units. Then we can simplify this 212. 212 factorizing 1 we get divided by 2, then it is equal to 106. Divided by 2, then it is equal to 53. So we can write it as 2 into 53. Square root of 2 into 2 into 53. So it is equal to 2 root 53 units. 2 root 53 units. Then root 265. 265 can factorize in what we get 5 into 53. Then it is equal to square root of 5 into 53 units. Look here, root 5 plus 2 root 53 plus root of 5 into 53. We cannot add this number. So this P2 plus QR is not equal to PR. Here we cannot add these numbers. They are not like terms. Okay. One is root 5 and the other is 2 root 53 and the other is root of 5 into 53. We cannot add this. Therefore, then what we can say, therefore, PQ plus QR not equal to PR. Therefore, the lines are not collinear. The lines are not collinear. Sorry, the points are not collinear, not lines. The points are not collinear. The points are not collinear. So, if the points are collinear, then if we take this points PQ plus QR is equal to PR. But if we here PQ is root 5 units, QR is 2 root 53 units, and PR is root of 5 into 53 units. They are all unlike types, so we cannot add this. Therefore, what we can say PQ plus QR is not equal to PR. That means that the points are not collinear. So to check whether the points are collinear, we first find PQ and QR, then find PR. If PQ plus QR is equal to PR, then the points are collinear. Otherwise, they are not collinear. You remember it. Okay. We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and hello.